there's a seal on the top of the hatch for the NC1, and it basically, when the hatch closes, it seals the hatch to the vehicle so that water doesn't run down behind your window while you're driving. And I noticed this by accident because mine had come loose and I couldn't close my hatch, and I couldn't figure out why. And when I put the seal back in, I realized how dry it was. And I'm assuming because it sits right above the engine, and we all know how hot the engine gets, that seal just dries out like crazy. So I'm going to show you how to pull it out and apply some shin grease, which Honda has long used on all their seals, at least dating back to the S2000 soft top. And lube it up, put it back in, and keep it nice and pliable for many years to come. As you can see here, it's really hard to get a great angle of where this seal actually sits, but it essentially sits on this metal piece that you can just lift it right off, and then it just pulls right out. So once it's out, put on a rubber glove, because the shin grease definitely will stick on your skin. And just squeeze it out in a little bead at a time, like from a toothpaste bottle, and rub it on into the rubber.